Hi, in this video, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks on how to go about filling out your Stuccco profile. This is so important because your prospective clients are going to read this information when deciding whether or not they want to work with you. They also will search for keywords and key phrases that profiles will contain. So the more complete your Stuccco profile is, the more likely it will be that you'll be discovered by the prospective homeowners. So how do we do that? We need to go to Menu, Settings, and then go to My Profile in Settings and fill out all of these fields here. Now, I'm not going to walk through every single one of these. Most of these are self-evident, but I just want to underscore the importance to fill out the About section, just a little bit maybe about yourself, what excites you about being a designer, your favorite things to design, your specialties in terms of the different design styles that you prefer, what types of clients you love to work with, etc. So this can be as long or as short as you want. We encourage you to get a little detailed, share your story there. You can also share your story here. This could be more of like a founding story. So I got into this business as a result of X, Y, or Z. It's always going to be unique. I went to e-design because I saw that the market was shifting in that direction, and have always loved design from a visualization standpoint, et cetera, et cetera. So you can get really creative with these different fields. There are a variety of data points that you can provide, such as your founding date, what hours of operation you have, your specialties. You can separate this by comma, so you can say children's bedrooms or living rooms, dining rooms, etc. Okay, so just an example. Members associations, if you happen to be a member of some professional organizations, some awards that you've received in the past, and then why us? Why would they want to choose you over somebody else that they're considering? Once you're finished, you'll click on Save, and that will save all of this information, and it will then be visible when you go to the My Profile link right here. So all of that information that you just saved will then populate here front and center on your Stuccco profile. So that is how to update the text component of your Stuccco profile. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can add photos to your Stuccco profile and why that's so crucially important. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you then.